Good day everyone, my name is Leonard Hagas. My topic in impact of nanotechnology in human, my topic is all about health. And nanoparticles can't enter our body and organs without seeing them and my damaged cells and the brain. In simple terms, health in context of nanotechnology refers to how nanomaterials affect human well-being, whether they help. The second one, national security. Nanobombs and out-of-control nanorobots could be used as deadly weapons that destroy life on Earth. National security impacts of nanotechnology on humans refer to the ways nanotechnology can affect a country's safety, stability, and ability to protect its citizens, particularly through technologies that influence human health, defense, or society.
Social interaction. Because of the speed in communication, many false news can spread easily and can cause truth and misunderstanding. Kung ano siya kanang tungod sa nang dali na kayo ang communication kay nang dali na kayo mo ang mukalat ang kanang mga fake news ba niya kanang mo'y kanang makakos o kanang kagubot bitaw o kanang maka-usap sa unang-una sa tao. Cultural. Young people may abandon traditional practices because modern non-technology feels faster and better. Kung siya kanang usahay kanang mabiyaan na sa kanang kabatanunan ang mga tradisyonal sa una kay tungod sa bag-o nga mga moderno bitaw mga teknolohiya niya mas dali o kanang mas nindot sa pananaw sa mga tanon.
So good day everyone, my name is John Rich C. Baritoa. I report my assigned topic. So the first one is economy. Economy is a complex system that organizes the production, distribution, and consumption of goods and services within a society. It involves how resources are allocated, managed, and exchanged to fulfill the needs and wants of individuals and organizations, and there's have many types of economy. So the second one is political. Political refers to activities, actions, and policies that relate to governments, public affairs, and power. It encompasses the processes by which groups of people make decisions, often involving debate, negotiation, and compromise. That's